Well, hey everybody. A little before 7. You gotta get up when your Airedales get up. Yeah. Who's gotta go potty? Yeah, that's pretty much everybody. Come on, let's go potty. Come on, let's go potty. Good morning, puppy. Good morning. Good morning, puppy. Good morning. Good morning, puppy. Good morning. Good morning, puppy. Good. Oh, this one stinks. Alright, hold on, I'm coming. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go potty. Let's go potty. Let's go potty. Go on. Go on, go potty. Go on, go potty. Oh, my good dog's right there. That circle catches. Hey, get off the concrete, you. Well, almost everybody's off the concrete. Almost everybody. Some of my dogs, they're top of the circle potties right now. Well, let's see, a little before sunup. And it's instantaneous, folks. Instantaneous. Now, if you want it to, you could call them back in and catch a few more rays. If you don't want to do the sun up to sundown schedule, you just wean your puppy onto your schedule. It's like anything else with an Airedale. Just do it gradually over a few days, few weeks kind of thing. And you'll eventually get on your schedule. But long and short, when your puppy's up, they gotta go potty, folks. Yeah. What are you waiting for? A special invitation, Aaliyah? I don't know. I'm gonna wait till everybody else stops pottying before I go out there and potty. Yeah, is that what you're gonna do? Yep. So, I don't know if you can see him. There's a lot of pottying going on right now. Yep, everybody taking a potty. Except me. I'm gonna take a potty too. Alright, I thought I'd show that to you. Talk to you next time. And it's puppies, you're adults. They can hold their potty a little while if you wanted to wait and get some coffee kind of thing. But puppies, yeah. You ask them to hold their potty for too long, and you're going to have to clean up some potty. So, always a caveat to me saying, puppies are house trained. It does take a little bit of effort. Duke, Duke. You done, Duke? Potty. There goes Aaliyah. She's gonna go potty now. Alright, talk to you next time.